Today we are going to be reviewing the FirstClose ONE platform. This is our web-based platform that can be accessed at any time from our website at www.firstclose.com. Once you have logged in with your unique login information, this will be the home screen that you see. Here at the top, you'll have access to reporting functionality that can give you turn time reports, pending reports by product, by geographical area, or by vendor. If you don't want to see this section, you can unpin it. And you're also going to have a section that breaks out your files that you've already placed into completed queues, meaning you've ordered data and all of that data is completed. A pending queue, meaning you've ordered that data and it's still pending a response from the vendors. Action files, notes files, flagged files, and managed files. We'll review these here in just a few minutes, but this is the dashboard of your home screen that you'll always see when you initially log in. Let's say you're ordering for a new loan application. Up here in the upper left-hand corner is where you will enter in the address. The system is going to validate that address as a legal address as you type it in. And then it's going to bring you to a screen to give us additional data for the loan. So you'll be able to type in the loan number, your loan amount, the borrower's credit score, the loan LTV, and borrower and co-borrower name. After you've entered in the additional loan fields, you'll see on the left-hand side that the system automatically selected a configuration. So we're going to preload in your underwriting guidelines, such as loan amount, loan type, lien position, credit score, LTV, and we're going to automatically load in the services that you want ordered for that particular loan guideline. So we can load in your property details, your valuation, your flood cert, your title work. So in this scenario, we have automated ordering enabled. So as I typed in that loan information, it automatically selected a configuration and automatically loaded in all the settlement services and the vendors that you as a lender have told us you want ordered for this specific loan type. If you don't want automated ordering or enabled, or if you just have a scenario where you need to order an individual product, you're also going to have a customized menu tree of your products. So this can be your appraisals, your closings, desktop evaluations, your flood cert, your document preparation, so preparing initial and closing disclosures, property condition reports, recording. So your recording, we can actually allow you to e-record directly from the system if that county accepts e-recording. Tax status, title reports, AVMs, verifications. So you can order your 4506T or the work number, verification of employment or income. So basically you'll just select whatever particular products you want ordered for this loan. Now again, we're going to custom build your FirstClose system and program in your products, your vendors, your form types. And it's going to consolidate everything you need to order to make a lending decision in this one platform. We do have a vendor library of national vendors already available and set up inside the system that do offer discounted pricing. So you can access a flood cert from our national vendors, ServiceLink, CoreLogic, Loretta, at a discounted rate. You can get title reports from our national vendors at a discounted rate, or you can also give us any local vendors that you have a relationship with or for whatever reason need to keep, and you can have a combination of discounted rates and products from our national vendors and any local vendors that you need. So after you've decided what you want ordered for this loan type, you're going to click Submit Order. It will tell you if there's a duplicate file to prevent accidentally ordering the same services twice. And then you're going to see in real time, this powerful platform is going to actually grab your products from those vendors' websites in about 30 seconds for instant data, or you're going to get a pending notification for anything that requires an on-site at the property, such as an appraisal. If there's any fields that the vendor needs that you may not have typed in, it's going to give you a pop-up. So this one's just asking me, hey, do you want to include any co-borrower data? So you're going to see again in real time, it's going to grab your AVM, your flood cert, your mortgages, property report, deed tax status. You'll be able to see if that data was completed, pending, or if it fails, you'll get a failure notification. For anything that does fail, you can also tell us, I would like this secondary ordering decision to happen. So you can say, I want an AVM from Collateral Analytics, and I only want that to deliver to me if it has a confidence score of 80% or higher. So the system will order that AVM from Collateral Analytics, read the confidence score. It will complete if it's over an 80%. It can fail out if it's under an 80% and automatically order an evaluation as the next step. So we can automate your entire ordering process, even through reading initial data points and making secondary ordering decisions. That way, your manual process where somebody's having to order that report, read it, go back into somewhere else, place an order, happens again in a matter of seconds. So then once everything's completed, again, at that point, this file is going to drop in your dashboard under your completed tab. So here's that order I just placed. It drops in my completed files on my dashboard. I can click to view my title report, my flood cert, and my AVM in one place on one screen. So each product is viewable, and you'll actually be able to pull up that PDF from that vendor. So I can click to open my AVM. I can click to open my flood cert. I can click to open my conveyance deed, my warranty deed, all in one screen from one place. You can also communicate with your vendors in here. So beside each completed service, you're going to have a notifications icon. So let's say I have ordered this warranty deed and I have a question. I can have my warranty deed pulled up, click on my notes icon, and as I have my deed pulled up, I can type in my note or my request or my update from my vendor or to my vendor. So I'll send my note to my vendor. My vendor is going to respond to me within this system. So it's also going to keep all communication to and from vendors on files inside of this one place. So then you'll have all of your documents and all of your note communication to and from vendors. Again, all in one platform, all where you can navigate it on one screen. We also can set up for you work queues that group together different departments or branches or regions, and I can pass my file through work queues as needed. So let's say I'm a processor. My job is to go in here and order title, flood, and valuation. And I've viewed all the documents. I've communicated with my vendors to correct anything that needs corrected. And now I'm ready to pass this over to underwriting. So I can click on the FirstClose logo to go back to my dashboard. These are my completed files. Again, I have a queue for my pending files showing me I have ordered this data, but it's still pending from the vendor. My action files are something I need to take action on. So either FirstClose customer support or a vendor has requested that I take an action or you take an action. Notes files just show that there is a note back from the vendor. So anything in a notes file, a vendor has communicated back to me. Flagged files, I can self-flag. So let's say I have something completed, I'm waiting on a document from the borrower, I want to flag it for myself, I can move it into my flagged files. And then I was mentioning about work queues. Under manage files, I can select files to send to a different department. So it'll show here under work queues what department or section it's currently assigned to. I'm final underwriting. And then this one, these clear to closes, I've ordered my services, I've checked everything, I'm ready to pass this over. So I can select my clear to close files and send them to First Touch Underwriting and assign those files. It's gonna move my files over to the person that's assigned to that work queue. So this can also easily pass your loan files through the process within this one system. At any given time, you can also search for a file. So you can search by loan number, borrower name, property address, who created the file. Let's say I have a coworker that's out of the office today and I have been assigned to check their loan files. I can search for files created by that person and pull up their queue of files. And then I can also add on any additional services as needed. So I can go back into this file that's already had some services ordered. And let's say I've taken a look at this valuation. My borrower has said, I really believe my house is worth more and I'm willing to pay for a full appraisal to get qualified for a higher loan amount. You can come back into this order and add on a full appraisal. So you can add on any additional services at any given time. For the appraisal, it is going to ask me for my borrower's contact information. So that the appraiser can contact the borrower for entry, submit my order, and now I've added on an appraisal. For more information about FirstClose, you can request a demo, a live demonstration on our website. You go to firstclose.com and click request more information. You can actually request a full demo with one of our sales executives for additional information. Thank you so much.